guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
I'm so glad today having someone like myself. I could talk about myself on here. I'm so happy. I'm so happy having someone like myself today. I promise not to mention Enogie name before, but even making it now without mentioning Enogie name, so I go mention your name. Someone called me this afternoon. I go him say happiness. And that way, we go on get now. We can't know why we just feedback get. We have a essay talk show. And now we have a essay talk show. Me mind be in there. Now we have a essay talk show. Wow, can't ban on. So I want to send him the link. Me when he click a link, ni me go on a essay talk show. Even me what I mean was a milk factory. In mega milk factory. One more way that they big. Any time on making it go on na ijo mo. Are you getting it? You can't go a say talk show or whatever she called herself. We can't go on na ijo mo. And secondly, we have a condition where me amenye. Any also patient or princess doing it also no one in do whom. Me amenye. If now look at say talk show where we go know say yes, she be sick person. So a reason where do ya go home or go to agbewa. A say talk show home with 1,000 something followers. You do school to you don't even know that go if I the month go yaga. Even if no tabu no magba. So how you expect me person like me can't go to deal with Adam Oshomole make one comment during the time of election. He say, clean men, you don't need to wrestle with pig. Because if you wrestle with pig, you yourself, you're constantly turn pig. So exchanging words with a say talk show is like childishness to me. Because if you see a say talk show where if you look and where, you go know it's not a sick person. Or common, When you MC happiness, you can't do a little common, you go on. Kene di mon fija kene Enogie we la video nu da ni la on we follow a page agbomaye man. So someone like that, there is no need. Are you getting it? There is no need exchanging words with them. I say talk show it here one because all me it no bag go even. Maybe she's not around. I'll give a sound warning. Because for him to come out again because of fire, I had the original monologue. What I'm against is stop talking to others the way you see. Only what they against. As you can see for the today, I decided not to go anywhere. You only be anywhere on the social media and nigga and reading and magba. So by the grace of God, I shouted with Policy Modia this morning. Igwe Odamani imawa ewa emi no mu mejo no don't go go but you are a kind of person where so you be kind of person where so maybe by the grace of God in the evening time I try ni go egun reason on ya me collect number where I try ni get so maybe in it by matter Comrade Albert Obaze and what is it called? Abaksador John Osaigi. So me have no even several. So only why you na no mu no we sin. E na we o kan pa we ro ni abi TSC talk show we ja gun ayogun are gan. O ma no kun mi. O fo me gele ti ore mi ame. Be ni eje we say talk show ni talk kun mi o ma re kan we. In case of you people who were not my girl because she's not even recognized me. Matika yen then I to send it the link go You know, we mommy Esther Wahala, mommy Esther talk show. Yeah, we say talk show. I know that. You give any all of okay me we have character video. Then no gino ya see we ladian me go Esther talk show. Mommy Esther talk show. Me go I will buy again very Rita me mo. But I don't know if Median ever agree or but I will buy again ever. Yeah, me go But the most intelligent social media presenter, in case if you don't know today, let me make you understand. The most intelligent social media presenter is Mama Didi Canada. If I'm right, say I'm right. The most intelligent social media presenter is Mama Didi Canada. In case if you don't know, you know now. Or the intelligent way. So anyway, na una sike igbo ma be Enogie. No. We Enogie already in say talk show. What do you expect from a pig? What do you expect from a pig? A pig or a pig lad, just the way we no one again. Also buy more book and that's the reason why waiting me kita jami who me we kita keke agbo yan if I back on your country boy. No, it's impossible. Ekita we kita agba we akan your country. So say any every man. I called I want to give a sound warning. This is MC Happiness. You have to work and give a sound warning well. Go and take care of your disease. Because you are a sick person. Go and take care of your disease before interfering on other people's issue. But the respect I have for her and I can't go further is because maybe it might end up being but when you is any or being wow when you do when I make factory and now he's working for Enogie. Make our la page make factory me cover myself with the blood of Jesus. And when it here, that's disease in case you don't know. Hey, I take time my phone. We'll go and take care of your disease and stop interfering on other people's issue. But so lucky, I'm not sure she's with her phone. The phone ain't ringing Enogie. And Mako will ring her way. Mako will ring. My cell phone never get to you. It's sad no you will boy. I'm power. It's sad no say talk show you will book battle. The phone ain't dojo. Tia call it one. The phone ain't dojo. While a penny you will do the penny you will do. Her phone is off. I want to be able to buy away phone ain't dojo. You want to buy dojo. So the bomb very only way to where go where go and have here. She's a sick person, in case you don't know today. Enogie we on nanania. Enogie we ya awe. I never first stated that word yesterday. Enogie is the most troublesome and stupid social media presenters you guys have, in case you don't know. Have it in back of your mind today. Enogie is the most. When I say most, when I say most, if you are with your dictionary, click it. The most troublesome and useless social media presenter. Mohiamu award in there. I mean, one give her that award. The most troublesome, stupid, useless social media presenter is Richard Usadiaje Ago, popularly known as Enogie, aka Ewility. Mohiamu award in there. You know what they useless is. That's the reason why we me man of viola dia. Even ya we live video ya we yo bona. Where make una follow our page or make una follow a page or in we go down in we eke. In a can give it in day. May you look say talk show na. Or can give it no day. Even no tag ba unu. O ma ne go agwan we the medo ya igugwan. Waji me boy kin pa. She don't know how to talk. In case of wani ma ejare wayare we no gwan. Wayare we no gwan. And my papa can't say make them go get this thing. They can't put my papa for a jail. It all gwan. Ozo no makon. Wayare say talk show. Yan wa send the leaking give me one. E me na zi get click e me save am we me jare. So give Enogie, you know. I will call her before nothing in the evening. Make it call this Mundi Averota. Say talk show me a catty. That I said in the Jenny Ubaro in Afian Uba. We will do. Second Nigeria Gileno. Italy said in a VJ Italy in itself. Over Jesus. Over Jesus. Bella leprosy be anyway now. Bella leprosy. You add on that leprosy account. When they talk to MC Happiness, and are you stupid? Bella leprosy. You see your name now. You show the sickness. Make you the sick. You guys should click Bella leprosy. Why show a sickness in a home? Bella leprosy. Don't you know I'm an MC? Don't talk to me anyhow. I respect my dignity. You are a stupid somebody. Even you yourself, you get your own for body. If my sickness na my teeth, your own na leprosy. Say your own na breast. E milk factory. Say aka milk factory. Na keep any name say ah. If you know more, leave that name for say talk show. Anytime she did live video, you go to drop am. Say milk factory. Like milk factory in move that only. A milk factory in move make una dey call on that name. Or why I drop a comment section for you. Say milk factory. Say milk factory. But the milk factory ọ̀rẹ́ wò dá o ọjọ́ bí na ọmọ abẹ́ yà ìbí ẹ̀yàn mú gẹ́ náà ọjà ní ẹ̀wọ̀n èdè ẹ̀wọ̀n yìí ìnàní ẹ̀yìn mi nà ìnàní ẹ̀yìn mi ẹ̀rọ bẹ́ yà ìbí ẹ̀yàn mú gẹ́ náà ọjà ní ẹ̀wọ̀n ọjọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n yà jẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀zọ̀ ọ̀wẹ́ wà bẹ̀ kí Bella leprosy ọ̀zọ̀ náà yóò bẹ̀. Makon. Wọ́n á ṣiṣẹ́ kẹsẹ́ talk show náà wáyàrá ìwọ̀n wáyàrá ìwọ̀n ìjì ńdè ìwọ̀n ìyẹn já ló ìmì ìwọ̀n à ní wọ́n náà jẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ́ ẹsẹ̀ milk factory wúwẹ̀ já ló ìmì ìwọ̀n à so yà á respect you yà á ẹ̀wẹ̀ bí mata ọ̀ ẹ̀yàn òdenu náà ìjọ́ mọ̀. Gave me de kuije anything concerning opo no ibi ene ye yo ho na wo kan kere ti me to eko ista opo no ibi ene Bella agbera pa gbe ya pa onu wa gba ge oge ko apopọ ni a we ne nwuye bube ozuo Bella leprosy uge kwa po we no zwori e kan ho wow more happiness. So in case if you don't know today. Bella leprosy gbe one. Why when we yata me milk factory. Me yagwan yi. Even me want to come across with page that already on no te matter ni me no we me not me we o ko me I say talk you na mind the person na send the link go me. You can the picture self in a way in a visual manner in a way come kind. But when me school you to me in one Princess Tony that was popularly known as the Murphy, social media president or one more over here. So no jam go ga ebe ladian because me who no ibi ene awawa. Wa we ya ke go sun ri ogo no yo. Da ije mo jojo gbe I mean anything na ya replace ije. But you don't give any ya tie bon the Murphy na ka 20 von. So in case if you are seeing me like this, so here I will be terminating a milk factory say. But only on one condition. Being even generally I may remember me I with that video for it or anytime no me bring information we go because anything at all in maybe just sending a milk factory now ma say. So ala Enogie empower yan ya fefefe. Enogie we. Usun be ni we e ni na say be hin. A milk factory we. I was saying I we buy like no give a switch in it talking no give now. It's a milk factory. So when boy you if I the muffin where ya good one every year say you me no akobama. The muffin is you where man the bomb can name say happiness man the bomb where exist. Which means the muffin man queer the everything. Unless you have a job to be a yacht second or and every year you because appearance you show where to work on you but no where don't I be very almost name and no so one year mugwe or here no you know go feed my you I mean no by the muffin in near well no ya build the page where be a no get am away yeah but I no give a build dog now what I try talk now yeah I will make my for it didn't no get am because now so you no get city build your own page nothing wo now you know. So milk factory say ubi egbe wahala o gbagbe ni zigizigi nura bona pupu no so you can go further today una ijo mo but information wey I don gbe seke nije eba we na we mo MC happiness no eba we na we mo MC happiness you don temper wero mo we do expect me I respect we do we na ijo mo. It's not done anywhere. Imaya fefe Enogie la den live video ja we wa follow page o kana wa follow ogo na wa gbon ma aropa agbon ma Enogie no imia ama iwe wa ni Enogie imia na okay edosa ni rame wa top be ena ma gbon but you can see my investigation. I mean, a picture about my post. I did it this morning, so I chatted with Colin Sibudia this morning. By the grace of God, a man going to the matter. This week, I mean, I have fat on it. I not to get location this week, so yeah, why I fat on it. So you can't know. Ambassador Colin Sibudia ne bate mate. Ambassador John Osage and Comrade Batobaze. So with time, the just talk put. So he was chatted, you know, where so he might have no you collecting up here. MC happiness how far so me when you was chat, I see your work, I just collect your number from your Facebook page now. Okay. Enogie anado aji me gbaki yeye. What up, man? Omaje Enogie, a free to air, or what Enogie? Royal Majesty Classic Lolo. I saw one of your posts some days ago. I be the share and reach where I dey. Who tell you say na well, you can't go everyone. You can't go everyone because you not show your real identity. Are you getting it? I'm talking to Royal Majesty Classic Lolo. On where you come by and picture me with Ogeni Mao and there, I don't even know if she's existing. So you better go and remove it. It is says you tell away page uje inina ya open. But it don't come and now work now is my mentor, no matter what, which is a Frank Victor. Or say na say where you get page in ya report a post in here be your Facebook account now. This Royal Majesty Classic Lolo. Here be the Facebook account. Because the picture man where you come by and read my name say happiness ibani and remember when they my video exist. So you better go and remove it. Idoge Oegbine, the mentor remain, which is a Frank Victor. No. Now we many Bologbini and why around the Ido video. Are you getting it now? So this is MC Happiness. This is MC Happiness. Ewi. So Royal Majesty Classic Lolo. The matter is that Ewi Ogi Essay Talk Show. That is a essay talk show. More now they call her essay talk show again. Anytime she did live video, more now they always comment essay milk factory. I mean, now let me want to see that milk factory. Now they see the milk factory. Oh, why you okay, I love you. You see the reason why MC Happiness me not they take action because of anything. No. If na Enogie now all that so go when I kita no biokba. No reason he do that way me they always take time like today now I no go work, I go anywhere, I just dey house. You know we be aibewu. You know we need shout ambassador policy moody I bad this the issue on ground by the grace of what people talk but and then may come across it now in a location mega but I reason now he do find details he say now the room there my mentor Papa Frank Victor you know we no need. I won't take any action. Maybe one day both of us will come across each other or my soul. You TV do me one online. I think send you a friend request, but it's against my policy. Now why aware. So I say talk show, you know, gang. She's a stupid son, but man, we no get back without being told. I want my time me here where why now. I not team of we na go make one where. But me say bani me do get tin me. She's a sick person. Make our profile picture hell. Salo bois. Oya ni ema ya wuje zsf ni ya ti cross ye sitli oya what you hu na ni ya de cross ye ni ya de cross ye no apology accepted Edusa. I'm not talking to Royal Majesty no Royal Majesty Omano. Apology accepted. Apology accepted. I waiting him we me go him we sorry self. Already pardon him sin. The first day me do me again. He met or me. Pardon him sin. Because in life nobody is perfect. We all made mistake. We all error sometimes. Are you getting it? So back to SA Milk Factory. SA Milk Factory. With the appearance, you know she's sick. She's a sick somebody. So, me want information tell man but different from now. That week in the John Enogie we. No yari account they need 5,000 naira again need get with the be. Enogie a we in the account made to facing a say talk show ba. SA Milk Factory unless you want to work bank be am e pa di mo fi no ya fi no gie ni no gie ya gie no tie bo ni pa di mo fi ni yan work bank be wo yan ma gba gbe wo Yeah, where the more fi can go o, I can go say go because only where you so man no me say. But me and the original money we matter say. Yeah, we mo MC happiness. You don't be la den live video. Or rien la den oba ji sweater no kwa ni ngore ni milk factory ni can do the be a show. Because with that milk factory, everybody will know she's a sick somebody. A disease in one water only disease. Or you 25 liter of 25 gallon. One be 25 liter in around one nigga in Nigeria again. One be 25 liter in my yasa mereni. It didn't want bokbaji. If adding the two together is 50 liter. Or you bow. I believe now let me want to see why me when that's disease now. So whether you mo gbé money, whether you do that go e ma go. You as a woman, I reckon whether I may see party, whether I may conscience where only no give me now mad that. You as a mother, when I am where mother were him. Where the banner may call it, even sorry, say, where we may call it banner phone and dojo. It can leave an in so you expect a the Murphy to come the answer person like that. It's not possible. Milkshake. Hey, milkshake. Milk factory no. Milk factory. Oh yeah, you were 25 liter combined into two, which is 50 liter. Ain't move wherever, you know. 25 liter. That yellow 25 liter. One. Yellow 25 liter. Two. Combining the two together, 50 liter. Now I say milk factory carry for chest. Oje na o mano, yan do amino yin ja we. Mami ave cow milk ni wali ke ge ni cow be. The liquid one yen je na we, yan do aje